What if I told you there is a magic ingredient that gives your meat smoky depth with zero effort? Meet the pellet grill, the modern appliance redefining outdoor cooking today. Unlike traditional charcoal grills that demand constant attention or gas units that lack flavor, pellet grills combine electricity with wood pellets to create a controlled, indirect heat environment. Think of the hopper as your fuel tank. You simply load it up with wood pellets and set a precise temperature on the digital controller, eliminating the need for chimney starters or fire tending. This technology allows you to achieve consistent results, whether you are grilling hot and fast like a steakhouse or low and slow like a Texas brisket without the guesswork of smoke. Rings. While they might look like offset smokers or standard grills, they are a unique hybrid that performs many functions of both types, offering an all-in-one solution for your backyard. The best part is the accessibility. You don't need to be a millionaire to get this flavor, as models now range from affordable options starting around $300 all the way up to high-end units. In conclusion, pellet grills are becoming increasingly popular because they successfully merge convenience, versatility, and exceptional flavor into a single, user-friendly package for every cook. So there you have it. The secret to perfect BBQ is right there in your backyard. Which feature matters most to you? Convenience or that smoky flavor? Let me know in the comments below.